In this video, we will explore AutoCAD 2022 interface. Once you've launched the program, it gives you the option of opening a new file, like clicking on a new button. It also could open an existing file or open an existing file from your recent file list. The two buttons over here allows you to change how you view your recent file list. You can view them in table format or Windows format. Right here, you could log into or sign into your AutoCAD account if you are connected online. You also could have access to your AutoCAD documents saved online, or access to videos or training videos that are shipped in with AutoCAD. Let's create a new file. This button is called the application menu button. A menu drops down that allows you to open a new file, open an existing file, save your file, save to different locations, import, export, publish, or print your file. Of course, you would have a view of your drawing utilities right here, like setting your units. You want to take note of the recent document elements over here that allows you to view your recent documents if you have any, or the open button over here that allows you to view documents that are actively opened. Of course, this is your option button, and you could exit AutoCAD 2022. There is a quick access tools bar. It contains tools that you might be using frequently. It contains the new button, open, save, save as, open from web or mobile. You could open your files from your mobile or from the internet. It also could save to your web or your mobile. You could print your files. Of course, the redo and undo are grayed out because we've not done anything. By clicking on this arrow pointing downwards, you could add tools or items into the quick access toolbar. Once you've clicked on them, they get checked out and they then get displayed at the quick access toolbar over here. For example, let's click on Sheet Manager. Okay, so this is Sheet Manager that we just added to the quick access toolbar. We could remove it by simply clicking on that same arrow and coming down to Sheet Manager and then click to remove. Here's the title bar, contains the software name, the version, AutoCAD 2022, as well as the file name and extension. Once you sign in, your username appears here. Over here, these standard buttons affect the entire program, while these buttons over here affects your current drawing. This space over here is called the ribbon. The ribbon is organized into tabs, panels, and commands. Of course, the panels usually have extensions. Once you've clicked on it, it gives you more tools. This is known as the File tab. You place your mouse on the File tab and it allows you to create layouts, to view the file, and also view associated layouts that are contained in that file. A layout is a digital sheet of paper. To the bottom left over here, you could also see that layout 1 and layout 2 are also indicated here, just as indicated here, layer 1 and layer 2. You could go back to your model space by clicking on model, or alternatively, you could place your cursor or your mouse on the File tab and then click over here to switch to your model space. These elements over here are called the in-canvas tools, which contains menu that allows us to change our visual style, viewport control, or orientation. This element over here is called the view cube. This is the navigation bar, and this is the command line. The command line allows you to type in commands, which is then processed or accessed by AutoCAD. By clicking on this arrow, you can see a list of commands that you've executed. At the right corner, bottom right corner, this is the status bar. The status bar contains tools or elements that alters the status of your workspace. They are active once selected. By clicking on this button at the right bottom, you could add in more tools or items to your status bar. And finally, this is your UCS, user coordinate system, which shows you where the Y and the X coordinates are pointing.